When someone refers to their Twitter handle, what are they actually talking about? Well, stick around because the answer to that is coming up right now. There are many parts that go into setting up your Twitter account or your Twitter profile, and some of them can be quite confusing. Now, one such part is what's known as your Twitter handle, or you could also refer to it as your username. So it can be confusing. Some people aren't quite sure what they are. So in this video, I'm going to demystify the world of Twitter handles and usernames. So by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what they are. So let's go to some live screen action and you can follow my mouse. So grab a pen and paper, grab a coffee as we dive into the world of Twitter and we explore the world of Twitter handles.
So here we are live on my Twitter profile, Mark Warnken, and if we aren't yet following each other, by all means, let's do that. Equally, send me a message and let me know where you're tuning in from around the world. I love to hear where people are watching my videos. And if you want to watch more of my videos, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel to stay up to date. Videos just like this on all of the social media platforms I do every week, and you definitely don't want to be missing out on them. So what is a Twitter handle or a username? Well, put simply, it's the Twitter name shown when you start a tweet, and it starts with the @ handle. So lots of us are probably familiar with that these days. It's very common in social media, but that in a nutshell is what it's all about. So here's a really good example of a Twitter profile page that's been set up. So number 4 is your Twitter handle. See, it's the @ symbol, Abello app, and that is what your Twitter username is or your Twitter handle. Not to be confused with what your profile name is. The profile name on this particular example is Obello, but the Twitter handle or the Twitter username is Abello app. It's a really good example, so I copied this image to share in this particular video. So some live examples of the Twitter handles in action. Here's Edward Zia. Edward's a colleague of mine here in Sydney, Australia, and he does some amazing work. Scrolling down further, Evan Batten, he's got eBatten7. There we go. A news channel here in Australia, 7 News Sydney. There we go. These are the examples of Twitter handles. What's this particular one? 60 Minutes Australia at 60MINS. And you can see when someone hovers over that, the Twitter profile information pops up. And that's part of the reason why when you're setting up your Twitter profile, you want to make sure you tick all the right boxes so people are impressed once they've landed on your Twitter profile. So now knowing what a Twitter handle is or your Twitter username, what should you use as your Twitter handle? Well, as you only get 15 character spaces, you may have to be creative if your own name or your business name doesn't fit. So how does that appear in real life action? Okay, I was lucky in regard to my name, Mark Warnken, was firstly available and it is only 12 character spaces long. So my Twitter handle or Twitter username is my actual own name, Mark Warnken. Some alternatives could be, though, if that wasn't available, I could have gone maybe for social media with Mark. But no, I couldn't because it's 19 character spaces, so it would have been too long. I could have then maybe gone SM with Mark, only 10 character spaces, but I'm not a particular fan of that one. I don't think it reflects what I do and gives people an indication what I do. Social Mark, I love it. It's only 10 characters long, but it was already taken. Equally, social media now, only 14 character spaces, but again, that was already taken. So those examples weren't available to me. That's where you have to be a little bit creative if your own name or your business name is already taken. So going back to some live screen action again, now that you know a little bit more about handles, Fox League is a sports channel here in Australia. They're at Fox NRL, so that reflects what they do. This person here has a combination of what their profile name is. What else have we got? Cronulla Sharks. There we go. That's my rugby league football team here in Australia. Their Twitter handle. Now, see what they've had to do here. They've got at Cronulla_Sharks. They would have had to have done that because the full name Cronulla Sharks wasn't going to be available. Alan Baxter, he's Alan Bixter. See how he's had to change his Twitter handle away slightly from what his name was. World of Engineering, engineering_feed. See how you have to get a little bit creative. Another news channel here in Australia, 9 News Melb, from 9 News in Melbourne. So these are the examples of how you have to get creative if your Twitter handle, Twitter username is already taken. Big Global Travel is the profile name. Their handle is global_big. And a tip on that is try not to use numbers though, as straight away it creates confusion because people won't know whether it's number 10 as in the digits or 10 as in spelt out TEN. So an example would be at channel 10. It just does create confusion. So try and stick away or try and steer away from actually using numbers. So some real life examples on why you want to try and steer away from having numbers. I put in channel 10 and look what it's come up. It's come up with lots of options. This person here, channel_10. The next one down is channel 10 news channel 10. I don't know where they're from. Let's have a look. They're probably in the USA somewhere. Look, followed by Barack Obama. So there we go. WBIR channel 10, but their Twitter handle is just WBIR. Channel 10, here we go, at Channel 10 AU for Channel 10 Australia. So a tip is to try and steer away from using a number because you end up having to compete with lots of others who are utilizing the common a common term, based around a number, 1 through to 10 or 1 through to 100. So hopefully that's helping explain to you what a Twitter handle is or a Twitter username is. So being creative or memorable is how lots of people on Twitter get noticed and remember. So over time, it will form part of your brand identity. So try and keep it aligned with everything else you're doing online, and especially with your social media as well. Here we go, another couple of examples here. Hootsuite, the online publishing platform. They've got a great Twitter handle here, which is their business name, but plenty of others don't do it. Now, if you're wondering, Mark, you might be thinking and screaming out watching this video, Mark, I'm about to ask you, can you change your handle? Well, the answer to that is yes, but you don't really want to do it because you may then lose all the hard work and the goodwill and the recognition that you've built up since you started here on Twitter. So hopefully that's explained, demystified, and you can now dive in, set up your Twitter profile, select a creative Twitter user handle. By all means, let's follow each other. Send me a message as well, or send me a message on any of the other social media platforms as well.